Yan, may kalo. Yan, may kalo.
Smile, ate. Okay, smile. And ate, look, and wacky pose, wacky. And tiger pose like this, tiger. Okay, thank you. Ma'am, sir, Potato Collection Garden.
Ay. Dapat siya, dapat. Wait lang, dali na.
Closer lang po. Ay, sorry.
Ay, kit kami.
Isa.
Okay, my kuya. And kuya, look. And
Look ko kay, tito.
Look first. Bird. Okay, thank you. Potato Collection Garden po.
May kapte, ano din ang, ay, aspira ko. Sila. Makalo lang ko.
Bulan. Nag-shades na po si Dean. Ha? Nag-shades na po siya. Amaw.
Lahat na una lang ito kay Tuto Iliam. Ako na lang. Tama sa akong cactus.
The fish. Is that the...
Tahong sa mga garden. Agla.
No, it's not.
Laon nema.
Is it just me or is it just me or is that tweeting sound coming? Is that tweeting sound coming from a bird? Is it me or is the playing game time? Makes him too high. Ow.
Damo dago na. Ang lalaki ng cactus.
Come on.
May CR dito.
CR ka?
Hindi ah. Damon di CR kay kandaan. Taham sa ontorium galing gagmay. Maliliit. Maliliit ang ontorium. Pag gusto ko lang kung hindi ka makadali. Diyan. Saan doon ito niya? Ganda ng auditorium. Ang dami, kaya lang ang liit. Kasi mga lugsot po doon, yung magtanga to.
Ay, may picture na yan.
Ha?
Ulo pa diya doon.
Nakan? Ay, sorry, hindi ka na.
Asa na dagdag?
Sa pulse o sa okay?
Ay, dari mo na. Diri mo ta ginagalinday, Aljan. Ano yung iba naman?
Picture kami kuya.
Hindi, tinignan ko. Adlo ko na, basta mulog ko daw.
Di na yan. Dili ulit.
Lingkod.
Look ko sa camera.
Smile. Waki pose po, waki. Then finger heart po, ma'am sir. Okay.
Kuya, pwede dito. Okay ba? Allowed ba kayo mag-take sa... Hindi, also. Let's go.
Balik please po ma'am. Balik. Punta lang kayo doon sa Michelle's Pavilion. Sa unahan lang po ng binabaan po.
Last lang muna dito.
Diyan. Diyan tayo na.
Mangita, taan yung ma.
Linda animals diri. Linda animals diri ha sang guardia. Lo diri, sini balik.
Okay ka lang, Nay?
Okay lang, sige, okay lang, okay lang. Ang alagyan mo dito.
Gali nga bulak ko.
Tahan na.
Anong meron doon? Different of birds na overlooking kangaroo. If hahabol kami ng 10:45 na ano? Oo, bird show. Mamaya pa naman, no? So, pwede pang mag-call. Pero yung mga tram available naman anywhere. Yes, ma'am. Sige. Sa mga birds kita sa next.
Damo sa ilang garden. Papiyak ko.
Kasha, tada.
Di ano, masakay sa basta. Ang ganda ka. Ano, laro. Mas na.
Kuya, ano, sir? Anong, okay. So, may, ano yung dito? Meron dito?
Wala, garden lang ma'am.
Garden lang. Antay na lang kami sa next na ano.
Lingkod na sa mga.
Sampung ko lang, no?
Yes, happy ka? Hanapin natin yung next destination. Ah, tapos na. Ay. Thank you.
Hi, good morning.
Binignit. Ay, anak, deer, anak.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo, ay. Kangaroo is there. The kangaroo. Makita. Yan ang iba. Ah, ano damo, kangaroo? Dalong.
Ligda. Man sila kay
Hindi ka taon. Dulong ang hindi ka taon sa camera.
O na ni. Smile. Kamu to nis, join kamu nis. Smile. Yum, look here. Ay, pagide. Smile. Yum. Kami manis. Kami nga tatlo. Nakapiyam kami. Ay, sige. Sige. Kaming tatlo and then lahat kami. Ang kita ko na likod. Oh, smile na. Wala mang katubang.
Damo silang kandim din, no? Hindi ka magutman, ah. Oo, Good morning.
Kay Lion. Banana ko lang
Pwede mo vlog po, ma'am sir.
Wala sila ito.
Ari ko dito. Ari.
Ari ko din na naisip.
Yes, pwede natin din si Ed. Tinduro si Ed.
Ready na po, sir? Ready na po? Ready na. Ready na sa photographers po. Hawak na po dito. So, mabuhay! Good morning, everyone! Welcome to White Lion Safari. I'm your guide for this journey and my name is Shaira. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated while the drum is in motion. Kindly wait until we come to a complete stop to capture those memorable photographs. Remember, ma'am, sir, to keep a secure hold on the grab bars. Refrain from extending your fingers outside the drum and avoid using flash photographies during the tour.
Day, ang kamera. Day, ang kamera. Day.
You can now stand up, ma'am, sir.
Wait lang. Masan.
We have here three lions, all that were bred and raised in captivity from France. They have a spacious 1.2 hectare area where they can roam freely and exhibit their natural behaviors. So these lions, they are all males, they are siblings, and they are 9 years old.
9 years old.
Their name po ay si Jack, si Max, and Buloy.
How old na lang yung bowling niya? Lion is 9 years old. You see? How old the lion? 9 years old.
Beauty. So nakita niyo, ma'am, sir, is tulog yung isa, and it's because nocturnally sila nga animals, so they are active during the night and they are resting during the day. So in the wild, they rest in approximately 20 hours a day.
Yaya, Eloy.
20 hours a day. 20 hours a day.
So you're wondering, ma'am, sir, why they are called white lions when they aren't entirely white? That's because they are not albinos po, they are leucistic, which means they have a partial loss of pigmentation that resulting in a pale or nearly white color. So nasa midnight safari, ma'am, sir. Makakita ninyo nga active ang among lion sa gabi. You can avail ticket po in the front office po in the welcome pavilion. 500 for walk-in guests and for the check-in guests is for 3 people. Okay. Kaya po, ma'am, sir, kindly sit down po.
I-mention mo sa akin, hindi man siya naka-fly.
Isda? Ano to? Parang kabayo.
Hi, good morning. Welcome to Camel area, ma'am, sir. Kindly go down and please watch your step. Okay.
Okay, ikaw lang to. Oh, the camera. Ay.
Selfie na lang. So, after this, hit na lang mo agi, ma'am, sir. Wow. Sulod na tayo. Birds of the world.
Asa lang, miss.
Siguro sa plak. Wow. Ay, mga kwan ini mga pispis man. Tulabong. That is tulabong. Yan, buli mo na kayo puti-puti na. Nahulog sa kanal. Let's go. Iba pa eh. Nagsablay sa kano. Ako bulasip. Ay.
Thank you.
Gusto piyak ko. Hindi ka diri ka.
Let's ride, ride, ride. Sa banana.
Oo. Tapos, dari siguro tayo. Ay, zipline. May zipline. Zipline. May zipline. May zipline. Kamula.
Na-excite mo, Miss.
So, diri ako dyan.
Sige,
Mabidyo ako.
Dili ka.
Mabidyo ako.
Asar sa to. Mayor kayo.
Over there we have the water back. So water back has a strong association with water and it helps them to evade their predator like the lion, hyena, and cheetah. And also, the older the water bucks become, the stinkier they are. And the stinkier they are, the more attractive they are to the female lion. In other terms po, mas baho, mas guwapo. So here we have the eland, one of the largest antelope in the world, but here in African savanna, they are the largest antelope here. Also, the female eland can produce milk 7 liters a day, and their milk is 3 times more nutritious than the cow's milk. And once again, we have waterback and eland. Runs with white underpants and black stripes on the end of each thigh. Also, they are also known as the incredible jumper of the savannah because they can live up to 3 meters high and can cover a distance of 12 meters. Also, male impalas have horns while females don't have horns. Once again, we have impala. They are nicknamed due to their fusion at their coat. Also, if you watch the movie Lion King, they are the one who accidentally killed Mufasa in the movie.
picture.
Then we have the here we have the Thompson that here also known as the incredible the size of the 3-meter high when they are alarming or playing. And also they're also an excellent runner because they can run up to 80 kilometers per hour. Without them will evade their predator like lion, cheetah, and hyena. Once again, we have the Thompson Gator.
Ito ah?
They have a light brownish gray to tan coat with white patches on the rump. And also their horn can grow up to 85 centimeter long.